Hello, and welcome back to Practice English Daily, the podcast that helps you speak English clearly and confidently. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Eric. We are happy you are here today.
Eric, how are you this morning?
I am great, thank you. I drank a big cup of coffee, so I am ready for our lesson.
Wonderful. Today's topic is something we all do every single day, the morning routine.
Your routine is the list of things you do when you wake up. Learning to talk about your routine is very important. It uses the basic English words you need every day.
Absolutely. We will use simple sentences and repeat them often. Listen closely, speak with us, and you will improve fast.
Before we start, if you like this episode, please follow or subscribe. It really helps us bring you more free lessons. Okay, Jessica, let's talk about mornings.
Let's start at the very beginning. The first thing we do is stop sleeping.
The important phrase here is I wake up.
Let's listen to a simple sentence. Repeat after me, listeners. I wake up at 7.
Good job. Now, wake up is when your eyes open, but you are still in bed, right?
Yes. The next step is getting out of bed. We use a different phrase for this. I get up.
Sometimes I wake up, but I do not get up immediately. I wait for 10 minutes.
That is a common problem. Let's practice these two phrases together. Listen to this short dialogue.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
And what time do you get up?
I get up at 6:15.
Did you hear the difference? Wake up is first, get up is second. Let's try it again. Listen and repeat my question. What time do you wake up?
Now answer simply. Listeners, say this with me. I wake up at 7.
Excellent. You are learning how to use numbers and time in a real conversation.
Eric, tell us, do you wake up early or late?
I usually wake up early. I am an early bird. I wake up at 6.
I sometimes wake up late, like 7:30.
Usually and sometimes are good words for your routine. Good work, everyone. Okay, we are out of bed. What is the next thing you do, Jessica?
The first place I go is the bathroom. We have 3 important actions here.
First, the teeth. The phrase is, I brush my teeth.
Let's try saying it slowly. Repeat, please. I brush my teeth.
And second, cleaning your face. I wash my face.
You hear that word my? It shows that the teeth and face are yours. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. This is very common in English when talking about your body.
Now, let's add the third action, which is optional for the morning. I take a shower.
Let's listen to 3 sentences together. First, I brush my teeth.
Then, I wash my face.
Sometimes I take a shower.
Now, listeners, let's make a real sentence about you. What do you do first?
If you brush your teeth first, say, I always brush my teeth. Always means 100% of the time.
If you take a shower first, say, I take a shower right away. Right away means immediately.
That's a great phrase, Eric. Right away. You are improving your vocabulary already.
Let's check our understanding. Listeners, is this sentence correct? I brush the teeth of my?
No, that's not right. We must use my. Listeners, say the correct sentence again. I brush my teeth.
Perfect. Remember to use my.
After personal care, I need energy. I need food and coffee.
two very important options here. I make coffee and I eat breakfast.
Let's look at coffee first. If you prepare it, you make it.
Let's practice the sentence, I make coffee every morning. Repeat that with me.
Excellent. Now, breakfast. We use the verb eat.
Breakfast is your first meal of the day. Listen and repeat. I eat breakfast at 7:30.
Now, let's talk about what we eat. Sometimes we don't have much time.
When you are fast, you have a quick breakfast.
Eric, what is your quick breakfast?
My quick breakfast is usually toast and one egg. It is very fast.
My quick breakfast is a banana and a cup of tea. It is easy.
Let's look at a short conversation where we put these phrases together. Listen carefully for make, eat, and quick.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
Do you make coffee?
I usually make coffee, but sometimes I buy it.
See, you use these simple verbs all the time. Do you eat? I always eat. Do you make? I usually make.
Let's practice the negative form, what you don't do.
Listen, I do not drink juice. Say that. I do not drink juice.
And another one, I do not eat meat for breakfast.
Good job using do not. You are building strong English sentences. Keep practicing that routine.
We have cleaned up and eaten. Now we must get ready to leave the house.
The key phrase here is I get dressed. This means putting on your clothes.
This is always one of the last steps. Listen, I get dressed after breakfast.
Let's try that sentence. I get dressed after breakfast.
And the very final step of the morning routine, I go to work or I go to school.
Eric, what time do you go to work?
I usually go to work at 8:45. I leave the house at that time.
I usually go to school at 8 o'clock.
Okay, listeners, we have learned all the pieces. Now we are going to listen to the full morning routine from Jessica. Listen for wake up, brush my teeth, make coffee, get dressed, and go to work.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get up right away. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I make coffee and I eat a quick breakfast. After I eat, I get dressed. I leave the house and I go to work at 8:15.
Wow, that is a busy morning. Now, let's review the flow.
When you tell someone your routine, you are using the simple present tense. You are talking about your habit.
Let's take the 5 core verbs and say them one more time. Repeat each one. I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
Remember the my. I make coffee.
I get dressed.
I go to work.
You sound great. When you practice, try to change the words, change the time, change the food. I eat toast. I drink water.
The more you change the details, the better you will remember the core structure. You are doing so well today. Keep that positive attitude.
That brings us to the end of our lesson on morning routines.
We covered a lot of important ground today. Let's quickly review the 5 most important phrases we learned.
I wake up at, and tell us your time.
I brush my teeth.
I make coffee or tea.
I eat breakfast.
I get dressed.
If you can use these 5 simple sentences, you can talk about your entire morning in English. That's fantastic progress.
We love hearing about your daily life. It helps us know what English words you need next.
So we have a question for the community today. We want you to tell us about the very first thing you do.
Our community question is, what is the first thing you do when you get out of bed?
Do you brush your teeth right away? Do you make coffee right away? Tell us in the comments. You can use our simple sentences.
Thank you so much for joining us for Practice English Daily. We hope you feel more confident describing your daily routine.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we will talk to you next time.
Goodbye.
See you soon.